Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your Kroger account password. Open the website at Kroger.com, then click the drop-down arrow beside Sign In. On the drop-down list, you will see a Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, click on the profile icon at the top right side of the screen. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for My Account. Click on My Account. Now on the left side menu of this page, you will see a Profile tab. Click on Profile. Under Sign In Information, you will see a section for Password. Under Password, you will see an Edit button. Click on Edit. On the blank field, enter the new password you wish to use. Once entered, click on Save. That's how you change your Kroger account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.